What is the Internet? The full name of the Internet is Interconnected Network, which means a web of connected networks. In simple words, the Internet is a vast network connecting millions of computers, mobile phones, and other devices all over the world. An example: think of the Internet as a postal system, but instead of paper, it sends data. When you send an email or open a website, your data passes through this network. Key point: the Internet is not one thing run by a single company. It is a collection of various networks, servers, cables, even under the ocean, and protocols, rules that work together. How does the Internet work? The Internet relies on three main things: servers, data packets, and IP addresses. 1. Servers, storage houses for data. Every website, video, or photo you see on the Internet is stored on servers, large, powerful computers. Function: when you open https://www.google.com search, Q equals Google. Com, your device requests data, like the website's design and text, from Google's server. The server sends that data back to you. Analogy: the server is like a library where all the books, data are kept. 2. Data packets. Traveling in small pieces, when you request a large file, video, or website, it is not sent all at once. Function: large data is first broken down into small pieces, called packets. Each packet is labeled with where it needs to go and which part of the complete file it is. Benefit: if one packet gets lost along the way, the rest of the data continues to move, and only that small piece can be requested again from the server. Analogy: like sending pieces of a large puzzle in separate boxes, and the recipient puts them together to form the complete picture. 3. IP address, the home address of every device. Every device connected to the Internet, whether it's your phone or Google's server, has a unique digital address called an IP, Internet Protocol Address. Function: the IP address ensures that the data packets reach the correct destination, place. It is exactly like your home's PIN code and address. Analogy: if you send a WhatsApp message, your IP address is the sender's address, and the recipient's IP address is the receiver's address. The complete process: understand what happens when you type www.example.com into your browser. Sending the request: your computer sends a request to the Internet Service Provider, ISP, like Geo, Airtel, etc., saying, "Tell me the IP address of example.com." Finding the routing. The ISP and routers, like traffic police, all over the world find the shortest and fastest route for your request to reach Example. Com server. Receiving data. Example: Com server reads that request and breaks the website's data into packets, sending them back to your IP address. Assembly: when those packets reach your computer, your browser reassembles them in their correct sequence. Display: your browser reads the assembled data and displays it on the screen as a website. One essential thing: protocols for the Internet to work smoothly, it needs rules. These are called protocols. TCP/IP. This is the most important protocol. It determines how data packets will be created and sent. HTTP/HTTPS. This determines how web pages, like websites, will be sent and received. I hope you will also give lots of likes and shares to this video of Amir TV and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for your loving comments. See you in the next amazing video. Until then, take great care of yourself and your family.